Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my December Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box where you get 5 full-sized items, whether they are tools, makeup, skincare. You do fill out a quiz. They pick out 2 of your items and then you get to choose the other 3 from a small selection. There is a fantastic drop shop where you can get a ton of makeup at a big discount. That's my favorite part. And it gets delivered to your door every month. It is less than $30. I'm excited to get into this box. Keep on watching. I have my eyeshadow primer on and my brows done. Of course, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links if you choose to shop with them. I thank you for supporting me and my channel. This Boxycharm video is not sponsored. I have been a member, I think, for a couple of years now. I just like to share, and it is fun to be surprised every month to see what they've chosen for me, and most of the time I enjoy my box. Because I chose the items, I know what's in my box, so I have a lot to try on today with you. The first thing in my box is this primer from Ciate London. This is the Vitamin Boost Plumping Barrier Boosting Skin Primer. Retails for $28. The secret to fresh radiant complexion. This little gem is all about the good stuff: niacinamide, peptides, probiotics, and a hydrating moisture. Each ingredient works together to reduce fine lines and leave your skin youthful and plump. I like that idea. I like that it has niacinamide, so it sounds like it could be good across the board for different skin types. I couldn't find this on Ciate London's website, which really bothers me when Boxycharm does that. Maybe it's a new product, maybe it's just out of stock, but I have linked Ciate London's website in the description box. I'm opening this up. It's kind of a weird, there we go. I opened it wrong. Just pull the cap off and there is a pump. Ooh, use a spit, oh, there we go. I would normally put 1 pump, but I'm assuming just because it was the first time, it was acting a little weird. It smells like cucumber. Feels very gel-like, feels nice. We'll leave that on and let it set and see if I look plumper or smoother, all the things. Yes, please. Next, I have this eyeshadow palette from JennDBeauty. It says here, this magical palette includes 6 mind-blowing mattes and shimmers that can take you from sunup all the way to midnight. Secret sauce, it's talc-free, silky, ultra-blendable formula. It retails for $24. I have not tried anything from JennDBeauty. This is what it looks like. I love the futuristic packaging. Here are the colors inside. Let me go ahead and swatch them. Here are the first 4. We have what looks to be a black, a brown, more of a rust, and then a lighter brown. Cleaned off my fingers. Let's do the last 2 shades. We have a darker shimmer. That one swatched really nicely. And then a goldy type shimmer. This looks a little weak, but that's okay. Maybe it's a buildable black. Before I apply the eyeshadow, I got some new eye brushes. These are the MOTD Cosmetics eye brush set, valued at $43. Whether it's an everyday eye or a smoky look, these ultra soft brushes are your perfect starter set for effortless application. Includes 5 essential brushes: a smudging brush, blending, packing, crease, and brow shaping that helps you create endless eye looks for any occasion. I love the color of the brushes. And then looking, this looks right up my alley. We've got the crease. This is one of my favorite brushes that's like fat but flat. A blender. This is a nice spoolie, can always use that, and a great little pencil brush. These do not appear to be numbered, but it says eye-catching crease on this brush. And I'm gonna go right into this medium brown shade. The skin's looking nice. A little bit dewy, but that's okay. That crease shade is looking nice. It's a little more buildable than pigment packed, but as long as it looks smooth, that looks nice. All right, we've got a nice structure going. I'm gonna go into this darker shade with this more fat and fluffy brush that I like so much. What do they call this? Pigment packer. I'm gonna go into that slightly darker brown and put that on the outer corner. Looks pretty close to the original shade. Maybe a teensy bit darker. I need more, so I'm gonna go into this black, same brush, and just very carefully put it here. Always build slowly with the black so you don't lose control. And I'm just patting. That looks great. I'll use both of the shimmers. I'll put this one in the middle. Pretty coppery brown. The texture feels nice, and you know I'm fussy about my shimmers. Go into this gold color. Clean finger to blend those two shimmers together. I'm gonna take the pencil brush, and it is called No Fudge, Just Smudge. And I'm gonna go into that medium brown. Just smudge that under the eye. Go into that darkest shade and just put that on the outer corner. And then I'll take this biggest brush, and they call this the Blending Bestie. And I'll just blow out these edges. Very nice. The next thing that I have to play with is some Persona Cosmetics eyeliners. This is the eyeliner duo in brown and plum. These retail for $16 a piece, so this is the $32 value set. I got brown and plum. This eyeliner duo is sure to become your partner in crime 24/7. It's creamy, waterproof, and ready to rock all day and party all night. I do have this pencil in black that I'm pretty sure I either got from Boxycharm or picked up in the drop shop. And yes, it is a top tier eyeliner. It's a very nice eyeliner formula that Persona has. My biggest complaint is that they all look the same. This brown packaging I don't love. I just realized that on the very bottom you can see where they're trying to identify the colors. So we have the black, the brown, and the plum. I'm not going to use the plum today, but I will take the brown and I'll put it in my waterline, and it is very creamy and does not move. It is a lovely eyeliner. I'm going to put the black on the top, just a little on the outside edge and in the waterline. I'll finish off the eyes with a little mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Mascara is on. If I didn't mention it, I have a little bit of a plumping gloss on my lips that I'm going to take off right now. Looking at the primer, I see a bit of a glow, and I think it did plump a little bit. The skin does look smoother, so far so good, and it is just a teensy bit tacky. I'm back. I added foundation, concealer. I set a little bit down the center of my face and added a little bottom mascara. The last product that I have is this half-caked double dipper matte bronzer in Siesta Key. Retails for $18. You have our full permission to double dip with this bronzer. It's so buttery soft that it practically melts into your skin, giving you that irresistible sun-kissed glow. Sounds good to me. And I even brought my half-caked blush and lip to use with it. I like half-caked, at least what I've tried. Here's what the packaging looks like. Very cute. It just says double dipper on there, and it's not easy to open. Oh, there we go. Got it. Little protector, little mirror. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Feels smooth. Here we go. There is the shimmer, I believe. Yes. And here is the matte. I'm going to start with the matte shade. Put a little on my JennDBeauty brush. Pretty smooth, nice warmth. I'm going to use the same brush and go into the shimmering part. And maybe I'll go a little bit higher with that. I like it. While we're here, I'll just throw some of my half-caked cream blush on. This is in the shade Velvet Tiger. I'm going to put this on my lips as well. I'm back. Final thoughts on the box that I received. It is showing as a retail value of $145. Was it worth my $28.99 or under $30 amount that I paid? Absolutely. The biggest surprise to me is going to be this REM palette. It delivered a beautiful look, very neutral, leaning warm, and I know there are different variations. I've heard not great things about these palettes. I have no problem. I had no problem applying it. Granted, the brushes from MOTD I liked. These are another hit. The primer, I'm not sure about. I look very glowy. I did put some setting spray on. I'm curious how oily I will get. I did not use a mattifying foundation. I just wanted to see how it worked. It has been 7 hours and I do see some oil on my face, but it's not bad. I'm excited to try this primer with a more mattifying foundation or a more matte powder, but so far, I think it looks really nice. Still, my swatch is on. Changed my top. And the eyeshadow looks fabulous. But the skin, I must admit, does look very nice. And the bronzer, I like it. These duos, or when there's more than one product in there, sometimes I worry that it won't be big enough for my brush. My biggest complaint is that I can't open it. Oh, here we go, I got it. It did a nice job of bronzing my face. It doesn't look orange. And of course, the liners from Persona. Let me get my black out. Brown and Plum, absolutely. These are great. If I saw these in Drop Shop, I would pick up a lot. If you're a Boxycharm member and have not tried these, definitely do it. If you're interested in becoming a Boxycharm member, I of course will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. I'm pleased. I hope this was fun for you. Let me know if you get Boxycharm, if your box was the same, if it was different, what you've thought about your products. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. I love chatting with you in the comment section. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.